What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute. Not much has been going on, so I didn't feel the need to film it, but just been kind of doing my retired life thing and finally got a bike, so gonna go riding this weekend and kind of got a big weekend planned, so I thought I'd film it and document it a little bit. But I'm actually headed up to our shop right now in Thousand Oaks. I gotta go grab a few things. I'm going drifting this weekend, so Friday, Saturday going drifting, and then Sunday, Monday going riding in Glamis with some friends. So like I said, I figured I'd pull out the camera and document it and GoPro some stuff. The drifting stuff isn't something that you guys seem to like that much as far as views go, so I won't bore you with too much of that, but I figured I'd throw it in there, and for those of you who hadn't seen it, check it out a little bit. But we're all adrenaline junkies, so I don't know, just it's something that I love to do, so hopefully you guys like it too. But like I said, headed up to the shop, gonna grab a few things, head up to the drift track, come home tomorrow, throw my stuff back in the shop, grab my moto and all my gear and all that stuff, and head out Sunday morning to go ride with some friends in the sand, which I'm super excited about. Last time we went to Pismo, this time we're going to Glamis. Everyone keeps telling me that Glamis is way better, so excited to go check that out, bring you guys along. I'll throw my GoPro on for that, but throw in some clips throughout the day, today and tomorrow, of some driving stuff. And yeah, I'm excited. If you guys haven't checked it out already, I released some merch, just a hat and a t-shirt for now. I'll have some more stuff in the works, but it's at SealySpeedFactory.com. I'll throw the site on the screen now. Also, I'll put it in my bio as a link, but check that out. And yeah, should be a good time. Really looking forward to having some fun with my friends. Haven't ridden since straight rhythm, so excited to go riding again, and also go ride in the sand, which has become one of my absolute favorite things to do after my last trip in Pismo. So threw the paddle on yesterday. I don't have a mechanic anymore, so I had to do it myself, but my buddy Tommy helped me out and kind of guided me along. But yeah, looking forward to a fun weekend. Hope you guys enjoy it, and hopefully I'll have some more videos to show you guys throughout the next few weeks now that I have a bike and go riding. So enjoy. Here we are, pulling up to the legendary Willow Springs Raceway. One of the most badass courses in Southern California. Gonna meet up with Jesse, go unload, and go rip some laps. Looks like we got some road guys out there on the big track. Guys are hauling. Hopefully they're wrapped in some Alpinestars leathers, keeping them safe out there. Look at those guys, full lean. Just unloaded, gotta throw the front bumper on. Just going over a few things with the old girl over here. Be on our way. Jesse's driving minus 13. Guys, little update here. I didn't film much this weekend at the drift track, honestly, because that kind of stuff doesn't really get traction on my page. I know some of you guys like it, but the majority doesn't, so it's something that I like to do, but whatever. So those clips were actually from Saturday. I didn't really film anything on Friday, just because I actually forgot my GoPro at home. But yeah, so I figured I'd just film some stuff on iPhone, and then actually right after those clips were filmed, my car caught on fire. So ended up having a leaking fuel line, and when the wastegate opened for my turbo, it essentially caught my engine bay on fire. So probably one of the most panicked moments of my entire life, but luckily I actually had an extinguisher in my car, but I was too afraid to go back into my car and get it because my car was on fire. So somebody had one right behind me, pulled it out, I popped the hood, got the fire out pretty quick. Didn't really damage much other than like wiring harness and other little small stuff like that. But anyways, getting you caught up because today is Sunday, and I got home at like 1:30 or 2 in the morning from the drift track, and unloaded all my stuff, woke up at 6 and loaded up everything. I was on the road by 6:30. As you can see, my bike's in the back of the truck. I'm headed to Glamis right now to go meet up with Axel Hodges and a few other friends out there. Pretty excited. I've never been to Glamis. First time I ever went to Pismo, ever went to the Sand was like a couple months ago. I'm sure you guys saw the edit from a few months back, or a couple months back, however long ago it was. But I keep hearing that Glamis is way better, so really excited to go check it out. Brought my GoPro this time, so pretty stoked. I think we're gonna get some pretty cool stuff. I didn't hire gas this time to come film me, so most of the stuff will probably be on GoPro, but maybe I'll have somebody there film with an iPhone or something like that. But anyways, just want to get you guys caught up. I'll probably throw some clips in after this of us having fun in the sand, so enjoy. When I was told Glamis was a lot bigger than Pismo, I didn't expect this. This is freaking badass. Can't wait to unload and go ride. Yeah, I wish it was a little more peaky.
Yeah, I know.
Fun though. Go first, so I'll go second.
fun. It's fun to rail that thing like a berm and get speed for it.
Thing's big.
Yeah, it's 4 wide.
Really?
Yeah.
So you can zoom in, just go that 400 base. Joe, right? Joe. Took me
Shotgun one.
It's like 5th wide.
You're hitting 5th?
I'm in 5th.
I'm 4th.